Have you heard about Agile project management?
Yes, I have. It's a popular project management approach that emphasizes flexibility and collaboration.
What exactly is Agile project management?
It's an iterative approach to project management that focuses on delivering value to the customer through collaboration, flexibility, and continuous improvement.
What are the 5 phases of Agile project management?
The 5 phases are initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closure.
What are the 4 principles of Agile?
The 4 principles are individuals and interactions, working software, customer collaboration, and responding to change.
What are the 5 types of Agile?
The 5 types are Scrum, Kanban, Lean, Extreme Programming, XP, and Crystal.
What is Agile project management best for?
Agile project management is best for projects that require flexibility, adaptability, and frequent collaboration with stakeholders.
What is the Agile life cycle?
The Agile lifecycle is an iterative process that includes planning, executing, monitoring, and adapting to changes throughout the project.
What are the 3 pillars of Scrum?
The 3 pillars of Scrum are transparency, inspection, and adaptation.
What are the 3 C's of Agile practice?
The 3 C's are collaboration, communication, and commitment.
What is Jira used for?
Jira is a project management tool that is commonly used in Agile software development to manage tasks, issues, and bugs.
Is PMO needed in Agile?
It depends on the organization and the project. Some organizations find value in having a project management office, PMO, to provide guidance and support for Agile projects, while others do not.
What is Jira in Agile?
Jira is a popular Agile project management tool that helps teams plan, track, and manage their work through a variety of features such as Kanban boards, Scrum boards, and customizable workflows.